Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text to your photo with the Instasize app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Instasize app, tap on the bottom on this plus icon, select the first option, the library, then select a photo from your library. Then on the bottom in the menu bar, if you swipe to the right, here you will see an A letter. Tap on the A letter, then here you will have some fonts. By tapping on them, you can select a font. By tapping on the font, what you selected again, then you can select the color of the font. Then on the bottom right corner, you can apply this color. Then you can move this rectangle on your photo where you would like to. Then by double tap on this rectangle, then you can type something. Tap on done when you are ready. And on the left bottom corner, you can make your text bigger or smaller by moving it. And when you are ready, then you can just go back to add some filters to your photo. Then you can save your photo. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.